Hello, welcome again to Roost fans. Now we're going to go over this new Transit Trail 148 wheelbase van. We did a full core build, but also custom made a passenger side kitchen cabinet with fold-up table and flip-down table for that matter. Also added in a tech van sink to the countertop, and this is a little bit of an unusual custom cabinet. We typically don't do custom cabinets like this, but made an exception for this build along with the rest of the core build on this van that we did. Did a lawn seal floor and core build with our mounting system, mid-wall paneling kit, inset wood panels, some windows, ceiling paneling kit, and then the vertical rails needed for a bed system that we are pretty much going to be giving him as a DIY product when he picks up his van. So that's just another way that we help the DIY builders with builds in our shop at a phased approach. Visit us at roostvans.com.